just did Joburg, and now I have the UK. And so the one thing I will tell you guys is that this workshop is pretty intense and it's super hands-on. So we have multiple companies across the world that are using it successfully, and so we've seen a number of different iterations, which is pretty exciting. All right, you guys are not tired yet? I don't have a data scientist to say to the world, you're innovative, you're evolving. What do you do on a conference call? I was file my nails, check my phone. Anybody else? The good old conference, and we do what? This is actually how we're gonna get to wisdom. But today, like I said, most companies, in our opinion, are sitting here. They think they're somewhere over here, and a lot of them are just trying to jump. It doesn't work, guys. I want one more word, keep your pictures, and this one is boost. Guess what, guys? I got a feeling. Woohoo! It's gonna be a good one. Team needs, make sure you hide them in the back. Now, there's a question as to whether or not we want to use Erupt for ROI, but we actually, from a user attack testing standpoint, have consistency. Give them a hand. Good job. I'm not saying it's wrong, just prove to me in a picture it works. To describe the action is how you're actually going to get movement and user adoption out of people. You see the mind games that we play with each other? We got more mind games coming when we go through the quizzes. Remove the original solution. I want you guys now to focus on the trend. So the question is now, we have the perfect order rate. It's not what it's supposed to be, it's 89%. How this comes together in a visualization, and then around 4:45, we're gonna wrap this up. Is everybody okay with that? Okay guys, you guys are awesome, by the way. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys.
What did you get out of the workshop today?
The importance of the story. The importance of following through with some logic, which I've never really appreciated. And I think the thing I would suggest to people thinking about it is come along because of the rigorous training she's giving.
I think it was fabulous. It really showed me the difference between left side and right side of the brain, and how keeping things simple is the best. Keep an open mind and get ready for those actions.
I think that if you're thinking about how to approach the user differently, how to talk to the business about the BI stuff, then this is definitely the right course.